Hi, I'm Dominic Cogan, and I just want to talk a little bit about the upcoming workshop, The Way of Counsel, or sometimes called Speaking from the Heart. And just to say that, the way people go to the pub or they go to the cafe and they meet friends and they have chats, and that can be very enjoyable. And sometimes, in all that kind of urge to be happy and jolly, or maybe to impress or to persuade, maybe there are things about ourselves and others that we never get deep enough into. We never really feel we've been fully heard or fully seen, or maybe we haven't given that opportunity to others. So, this workshop is about going a bit deeper. It's kind of a deep listening and a speaking from the heart, sharing personal stories, perhaps. It's not about being clever. It's not about trying to persuade people of your political opinions about anything, because we won't be doing that, or about religious beliefs or anything like that. It's listening with compassion and kind of seeing beyond the labels that people might carry or the kind of first impressions we might have about other people. So the facilitator, which in this case will be me, I'll throw out a couple of prompts on the day. And, if you don't want to respond to that, you don't have to. And the prompts aren't controversial. This is not therapy. It's not putting people on the spot or anything like that. It's very much about creating you know, a, a relaxed, safe space for people to listen to each other and to talk to whatever arises for you in the moment. So there's no giving advice, and there's no trying to fix people. There's no people coming back to you afterwards saying, I'd like to talk to you about what you said. We don't do that kind of thing at all. We're not trying to be clever either, but it is about being seen and being heard and seeing and hearing others in a way that maybe doesn't happen in the usual kinds of social interactions. So in Ireland, we're particularly famous for being great talkers, and talking is an aspect of this, but even more importantly is that kind of really deep listening, where we're really trying to tune into the other person. And so I hope you can make it. See you then.